If you're frustrated with your controller, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through 5 simple steps that can fix your B button so that you can get back to your game in no time. So first, you're going to try restarting your Xbox and reconnecting the controller, because sometimes a simple reset can fix the issue. Second, check if the B button is stuck. Gently press it a few times to see if it feels different from the other buttons. Third, you're going to use a soft cloth and some compressed air to clean around the B button. So dirt and dust can, cause buttons to stick or not work properly. If that doesn't work, you might want to update your controller's firmware through your Xbox settings. So fifth, if nothing else works, you can try opening the controller and fixing the button yourself. But be careful, or you can basically send it in for repairs if you don't want to risk it. All right? So don't let a broken button stop your fun. Like, comment, subscribe for more tips like this. See you soon. Love you. Ciao.